Una well done. Now maybe Uncle D1. Today, on top of TPTV, I go to tell una wetin happen for AFCON 2019. And from there, we go move enter market. Make we see as things happen for the pre-season preparation way clubs for Europe they do. Who they buy, who then they sell, how it they be, how the friendlies they take turn out. But before I go into the friendlies, waiting coaches feel over the weekend and waiting happen for the market, make we quickly see wetin happen how AFCON 2019 take finish. Algeria reach finals wey dem catch Senegal, wey dem hammer dem 1-0 over the weekend, but since they don reach their home, as dem dey reach their domot, so everybody for the city, for inside town village come out to take welcome them for this kind ogbonge try wey dem try for the Nations Cup. Even their president show face. He tell them say they don't still try for making this their nation proud. Everybody welcome them, their wife, even serve their children, they welcome them as they lift the cup. Now that boss wey they take do for Europe if they win Champions League. Now that same boss, they take carry them where everybody surround them from inside Oja. They welcome them, they sing, they happy say they don't still win this edition of Nations Cup. From there, we see wetin dey happen inside market for Europe, for football market for Europe. I go start with wetin Zidane talk. Zidane talk say as they reach now, he no go want make Gareth Bale make for take continue for Real Madrid as be say he don dey wan build up a team with new set of players. But even Gareth Bale sef, no be say he don come be say market no dey for am. People still dey hustle. Man, you still dey show interest. Even self, other clubs, they still dey show interest. Say this Gareth Bale wey you wan sell, then they still need am. Now, from there we go move enter Man U wey finally don say they want Leicester Maguire. But the club dey say for them to carry Maguire, they go need to vomit 80 million pounds. But the way we dey see things now, we say we dey torchlight football matter, e be like say the body language wey Man U dey show now be say they still get interest for Maguire. Even sef Man City say for where this Maguire wey una want, so dem 12 they still need to look for money to make sure say they land this Maguire because they really need am to take fortify their team. But e go take them, according by their spokesperson for Man City, e go take them to sell Otamendi and Mangala to take raise the money where they go take buy this ogbonge player. From there, still on football story matter, we una know Mauro Icardi of Inter Milan. He don show say he no go gree the kurukere wey Arsenal dey do for the matter as in be say they wan change and they wan do wetin dem dey call trade by barter, which Oyinbo dey call swapping. That is to move and go Arsenal and bring in another player, a replacement, which then they look say na Aubameyang they want to do that business. But Icardi they show say he no wan go Arsenal. Say he still get as he be wetin wan give Inter Milan Football Club. Still that one, we go move now. Enter Bundesliga where Bayern Munich says, okay, as it be say Man City no ready to sell Leroy to them, and as it be say them, they no wan give them other that player again, Sane wey be say he comot for Dortmund. Now dem ready to cough out money to take buy that Newcastle ogbonge striker wey be say you know they carry eye see net wey they call Zah. Now they don put money for a head, then they wait just to land that. Stay more on this football matter. For England, Everton still, they don't release Lookman Ademola, that Nigerian boy wey dey for born for England. They don't release am to Leipzig. As I dey talk with Tona, so e dey receive wetin e dey do check body for the club where Oyinbo dey call medicals. Very soon they go after the medicals, they make us realize say dem go cut out more than 20 million pounds to take finally put Ademola for their club. Still, from there, we go move, enter the friendlies wey happen. Jordan Klopp say he no go talk as e be say e too early over the incident wey happen for the friendlies wey dem play with Sevilla over the weekend, where Ghana's in 2 legs take uproot their 18 years old boy wey dem for just dey bring up say make you come play for them next season. This guy do am bad. He give am leg wey be say send this boy pack e reach here. As he land for ground, na serious injury this boy get. Wey dem be say dem take carry crutches take carry am comot for field. As e be now, the story wey we dey hear be say he dey recover, but again im fellow player wey dem dey call Mena don come and say na shame, say na shameful thing for Ghanaians to take carry in 2 legs take uproot boy wey be say e just dey learn ball, e never still hold ground for season. From there again we go move enter Tottenham Football Club wey be say over the weekend Harry Kane still show say this season e no go be like other season o. Say this season dem go gree die there, no be say one club because you be Barca, you be Juve, dem go dey think say na dem go win Champions League. Say dem sef dem stand gidigba, dem catch this season. Say anybody wey go come their way dem go uproot am. That na why dem catch Juve over the weekend, dem hammer dem 3-0. Harry Kane score one goal wey be say e make everybody that stand for the club wey dem talk say this season this season e go hot for everybody. My people, more story dey come. This season I go dey give una hot when Premiership open. I go from there dey enter Bundesliga, dey tell una as e dey be. Even I no go leave Serie A wey I go dey give for our local league. I dey plan say I go still dey pour football matter, dey tell rush una hot. As e be, na here I go draw curtain till another time. But then make una dey reach, make una dey touchlight us, dey push us on top our Instagram, on top our YouTube, and even sef make una dey carry una eye dey chook into our Facebook. For this place I go tell una say una do.